Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you had a fantastic Christmas. Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 things that you need to declutter like right now, like your after Christmas declutter guide. So let's get started. The first thing that has to go is old toys. So I love doing the one in, one out rule, especially this time of year. For every new toy that your children have received, make sure that you're donating one of their old ones. So the one in, one out rule, and this can totally apply to clothing or other gifts that you've received as well. The second thing you totally have to declutter right now is the stuff you got for Christmas that you do not like. That guilt, I like to call it guilty gifts. You know what we're talking about. The lotions you'll never wear, the smelly soaps that kind of make you cringe, or those gifts that are just so freaking hideous. Why do we hold on to those? Or we say we're going to re-gift them in the future? Let's let them go. Load them in the car, donate them to a worthy cause, someone who's actually going to use them, and let go of the guilt and the clutter at the same time. Next, it's time to get rid of the Christmas cards, but you don't have to just recycle them. I totally recommend cutting the front of them to use them for gift tags next year. Some of these Christmas cards are beautiful, and if you cut them down, they make perfect gift cards for next year. It's like you're saving money and decluttering at the same time. As you're packing up all of the Christmas decorations, now is the time of year to realize that anything's left in the bin that you didn't put out probably should be donated. Now is the time of year that I donate so many of my unused Christmas decor because I've actually pulled the bins out. Otherwise, they're gonna sit in storage until next year. So as you're packing up and putting away all of your Christmas decor, make sure that you have a box ready and at hand just for those donations. And last but not least, this is the perfect time of year to declutter your kitchen. And the reason is, it's the end of the year. We've just gone through a whole year, so you can look at your kitchen and ask yourself, what have I not used? If you haven't used your big roasting pans, even at Christmas, the odds are you probably never will. Big soup pots, stand-up mixers, blenders, if they haven't been used in the last 12 months, it's time to let them go. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you're feeling encouraged to purge and declutter. Let's start the new year off clutter-free. We'll see you then. So thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I had like a big chunk of dry shampoo in my hair. Hopefully, can you still see it? Here's the thing about dry shampoo. It's the greatest thing ever because you don't have to wash your hair as often. It's also the worst thing because you can, without knowing it, go out and look like you're some old dude from the 1800s that's a judge with a gavel or something, you know, with the white. This has happened to me so many times. I've had people say, you've got a little something in your, maybe I'm overusing it. Maybe I shouldn't be, I don't know, but yeah. I have a little overkill of the dry shampoo. Anyways, I wanted to give you a quick life update. So I've recently hired a life coach, which I never thought I'd do. It's so like millennial, right? But anyways, I hired a life coach and she's amazing and she's helping me more with the business side of my life because I'm going through a period where I'm feeling a lack of motivation. I have talked about the same freaking things for so freaking long that I'm just like, I don't want to say it anymore. Do you know what I'm saying? So I feel I've written books on the same thing and I talk and I do YouTube and I write and I do podcasts and it's getting like, I'm feeling less than inspired. And her advice to me was so good that I wanted to share it with you. She asked me what my favorite song was. I kind of blanked, so I told her Vanilla Ice's Ice Ice Baby, which is a fabulous song. It's also one that my daughter's doing a cover of her ukulele, so that's just what I said. And she said to me, how do you think Vanilla Ice feels? That old tired has-been dude, every time he has to get on stage and sing Ice Ice Baby again, and shake it and do it like with passion. Any musician probably gets tired of singing the same song over and over again. I get sick of hearing it on the radio, but they get up and they do it anyways because that is their job. So her advice to me was just to get my butt on stage and sing and shake my booty because that's what I do for a living. And so I found it's like my mantra for 2018 because the truth is, no matter how awesome your job is, and trust me, my job is awesome, you go through periods of life in all areas of your life where you just get tired of it. It becomes mundane and you get uninspired and unmotivated. And those times are where you have to get out on stage and shake your butt anyways, man, and just do it. So that's my mantra for 2019. I thought that I would share it with you if you also need the same one. We'll see you soon.